Okay, welcome back. Welcome to my stream. We are going to show you what's in each of the starting decks. Okay, so we got this, the red and the blue deck. That's what I'm going to call it, but I know there's another name for it. Let me see. Oh, maybe it has the information on here. Detectives. Okay. What's this called? Okay. Ah, okay. Yes, I'm relatively new. All right. This deck is called, I know. All right. So these two. Oh, where is that? Oh, of course, it's not going to tell me that information for you. All right. All right. So this is the deck. This is what's in this deck. We got Anna. Okay, let's bring you down. Actually, let's do this. Okay, let me fix my Zoom for a second. Okay, I guess it's actually at the good quality. So, it's a good spot here. All right. All right, we got Anna. Anna. We got Mickey Mouse. We have Aurora. We have Edwina. We have Pascal. Donald Duck. Webby. Vanderquack. Another Donald Duck. Olaf. Card Soldiers. Goofy. Okay, Khan. Bowie. Adriana. Sasu. Webby again. Minnie Mouse. Hans. Webby. Rapunzel. Elsa. Pascal. Aurora. He's got a sword. Rabbit. Elsa. Olaf. Okay. There's Anna again. Minnie Mouse. And finally Mickey Mouse again. Okay, so that's that one. I'm just leaving those alone because I still have to learn. Alright, so let's do it from this way. We got Winnie the Pooh, Olaf, Piglet, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, Magica, Dispel, Jafar, Magical Maid, Piglet, Jafar, Daisy Duck, Rolly, Magica, Wardrobe, Pluto, Magnificent, Jafar, Olaf, Christopher Robin, Stitch, Jafar, Magnificent, Stitch, Stuck, Merlin, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, Daisy Duck, Winnie the Pooh, and Mickey Mouse. Alright, okay, that is it for this episode, or stream, whatever you want to call it, and I will see you on the next one.